Recycle bin not showing on desktop Windows 11. Hi guys, in this quick video I will let you know about how you can fix the recycle bin not showing on the desktop on Windows 11. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, let's just have a look that we don't have the recycle bin on our desktop. So first thing first, we will go through two steps for this process. First of all, let me just go to the settings. Alright, then go to the personalization, then you need to go to the themes. Alright, after that you need to go to the desktop icon settings. From here you need to select this option, recycle bin. Just select it and hit on apply, and also tick mark on the allow themes to change desktop icons, then click OK. As you can see, we have got a recycle bin in the desktop. So if this process doesn't work for you, we have another process to make the recycle bin appear on your desktop. For that, first of all, what you need to do, you need to right click and go to the new and click on the shortcut. After that, you need to enter some text. In the video description box, you will find this text. You need to copy and paste it. Then you need to go to the next, tap on the next. All right. Then rename it as recycle bin. Then tap on finish. Then what you need to do, you need to right click on the mouse and tap on the show more option. All right. Then go to the properties. And from here, you need to change the icon. Just tap on the change icon option. All right. We are not seeing the recycle bin icon from here. So what you need to do, we need another text from my description box. You need to copy and paste it on here, hit enter. Then as you can see, we have got so many icons. From here, we need to find out the recycle bin icon. As you can see, here is the recycle bin icon. Just click on this and hit OK. And then apply. And voila, we got the recycle bin in our desktop. So if you double tap on it, and we can see the recycle bin. So that is for today guys. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please do like, share, and never forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.